Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for making the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a face-off between two high-flying contenders in the drone world. On the left, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, tiny but mighty. And on the right, the FPV Brushless Motor Drone, a name that sounds like a sneeze but packs a punch. Let's dive straight into the wallet-wrenching part, price. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes in at a budget-friendly $69. Perfect for those of you who still believe in the value of a dollar. On the other hand, the FPV Brushless Motor Drone is priced at $119. That's right, folks. It's like buying two DEERC D20s and still having enough left over for a cup of coffee. So if you're looking to save some bucks to buy more avocado toast, the DEERC D20 is your guy. But hey, let's not judge a drone by its price tag just yet. Next up, let's talk about those sky-high selfies. The DEERC D20 boasts a 720p HD camera. It's like the flip phone camera of drones, nostalgic, but not quite Instagram-worthy. Meanwhile, the FPV flaunts a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. Translation? It's like having a professional photographer in the sky, minus the awkward small talk. So if you want your aerial shots to look like they belong on a billboard rather than a potato, FPV is the way to go. Let's see what these bad boys can do in the air. The DEERC D20 is all about fun with 3D flips and waypoint flying. Voice control? Check. Gesture selfies? Double check. It's the perfect drone for kids or anyone who acts like one. But wait, FPV isn't just sitting there twiddling its rotors. It comes with multiple intelligent flight features, like headless mode, altitude hold, and even optical flow positioning. And let's not forget the 3 speeds for when you're feeling like Vin Diesel in Fast and Furious. So if you're looking for a drone that can do more tricks than your dog, FPV's got your back. Now, let's talk battery life and safety. Because crash landing your drone isn't a fun pastime. The DEERC D20 offers 20 minutes of flight time with its 2 rechargeable batteries and comes with features like low power alarm and emergency stop. It's like having a helicopter mom for your drone. Always watching, always caring. FPV, on the other hand, is built for endurance with brushless motors that ensure longer service life and less noise. It's got level 4 wind resistance. Perfect for those who like to live on the edge, or at least fly on the edge. So if you want a drone that doesn't sound like it's about to explode mid-air, FPV is your trusty companion. Reviewers praise the DEERC D20 Mini Drone for being an excellent entry-level drone that is easy to use and durable, though it struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the FPV Brushless Motor Drone receives mixed reviews. While some appreciate its advanced features and customer service, others have experienced issues with the drone flying away or connectivity problems. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-fly drone, the DEERC D20 is your go-to. But if you're looking for advanced features and better performance, the FPV Brushless Motor Drone is worth the extra bucks. Which drone are you rooting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.